So high where I need to come down for oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping in. Cause I just wanna live my life and party. All I want is to be free and move my body. Around the world, I wanna live my life. Rio, I wanna party, I wanna shout, I wanna party and fly.
If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Give peace a chance. Let the fear you have fall away. I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you.
Legs, where did all these dragons come from?
That roar must have been a distress signal. What I was saying, just listen up, guys. Yeah, you're super impressed with me.
Pink Ferragamo sliders on deck. Silly rap beef, just give me more checks. My life is a movie, I'm never offset. Me and my amigos, no, not offset.
think, bud? You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready?
When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway, like the lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more.
That, my friend, is a fashion faux pas.
How good.
Fear the facial hair!
I can change yours. Right here. Right now. May I?
I'd hate to be them riders if they're found. They'll end up like, well...
Please let me hurt him. Please, just a little.
Watch and learn.
About a pineapple? Mom!
Hey, come on, Toothless. Where's the love, man?
Technicality and Toothless. Come on. He's the cutest, obviously. Like a little puppy. Right, T? Yeah, you feel me? What about Barf and Belch?
It's from Dagger. He's been looking everywhere for his sister. And he wants our help in finding her.
Well, that shouldn't take long. She's right there.
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, we all know the plan, correct?
Yes.
No!
We all know the plan you told us 25 times. And just so you know, I still object.
Objection.
Why does he always have to make such a production out of everything? I really hate that guy.
I'll buddy his fist with my face if he tries to take my dragon.
Or mine.
Not a demon.
See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons, so,
But you walked through fire!
Dragon scales. Dragons shed a lot.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. No human legs on that skinny.
Needed a real reaction from you.
Boy, did we get one. It's not loud.
That's my tooth.
Slow and inaccurate. That's quite a combo.
It was also our parents' nicknames for us. My nickname was Slow, which I thought was inaccurate. We Thorstons are known for our extremely thick craniums. See? Thick skulls!
If you need a beard to cry on, just lean on my shoulder and you can cry into my full, thick beard.
Oh, thank you, Tough Nut. Thank you so much.
Aerith, son of Aerith!